We will present 101 Everyday Science one-liner MCQs. These questions are most repeated in various job recruitment exams. This EDS capsule is authentic and helpful for job aspirants. 1. The process of digestion begins in mouth. 2. Sometimes when white blood corpuscles greatly increase in number, they cause a disease called leukemia. 3. Blood cells are manufactured by bone marrow of the body. 4. The planet nearest to Sun is Mercury. 5. Pressure cooker works on the principle that the boiling point of a liquid increases with the increase of pressure. 6. Copper is the best conductor of electricity. 7. When the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is zero, the body is said to be in a state of equilibrium. 8. Gamma rays are similar to X-rays. 9. The separation of ordinary light into its constituent colors is known as dispersion. 10. If a body weighs 600 kilograms on the surface of the Earth, then the weight of the same body on the surface of Moon will be 1/6, i.e. 100 kilograms. 11. When a bullet penetrates into a target, the kinetic energy of a bullet is converted into mechanical energy. 12. The principle of wireless telegraphy was discovered by Signor Marconi. 13. The smallest organism which causes disease is virus, and even smaller is called viroids. 14. Neutron, electron, and proton have neutral, negative and positive charges respectively. 15. Of all the flying machines that man has made, only rockets are suitable for space flight. 16. Transistors do not need a warm-up period because they have no filaments. 17. If an object gives off its own light, it is said to be luminous. 18. An electric heater would be most likely to produce infrared radiations. 19. The Kelvin scale of temperature is called the absolute scale. 20. The type of radiation that is unaffected by magnetic field is called gamma rays. 21. If we know the mass of an object and the force applied on it, it is possible to calculate acceleration of the object. 22. Active transport in animals and plants required metabolic energy and concentration gradient to carry the substances across cell membrane electrical gradient. 23. Diseases that spread through air are called airborne diseases. 24. When iron is less in body, the quantity of hemoglobin in cell decreases. 25. Arteries become hard due to deposition of fats and cholesterol in them. 26. The science of study of old age is called gerontology. 27. The instrument used for measuring the velocity is called anemometer. 28. The science which deals with the bird is called ornithology. 29. The function of the thermostat in a refrigerator is to maintain temperature. 30. Blotting paper absorbs ink because the action of capillary. 31. Mirage is an example of reflection of light. 32. The age of a tree can be determined by counting rings of stem. 33. In a normal resting man, the rate of heartbeat is 72 per minute. 34. In Pakistan, copper is found in Saindak. 35. American space shuttle Mercury Atlas 6 is the first winged spaceship to orbit and return to airport landing. 36. Myopia is a defect of vision which does not permit to see clearly the distant objects. 37. The brightest planet is Venus. 38. Ureas are not a phosphorus fertilizer. 39. Ibn Baitar was a renowned Muslim botanist. 40. Cellulose is natural polymer. 41. Vitamin A and D are not water-soluble. 42. Amoeba is a unicellular animal. 43. Solar eclipse occurs in full moon. 44. Leprosy is a disorder of the nervous system. 45. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, cause decomposition of ozone. 46. Quartz is chemically a silicate or silicon dioxide. 47. Chicken egg is composed of one cell. 48. Visible light energy has the wavelength range of 400 to 700 nm. 49. The particle with positive charge but having mass equal to that of electron is called positron. 50. Gas in children's play balloons going upward is hydrogen. 51 Standard pressure is 760 mmHg. 52. Iron corrodes due to the formation of iron oxide. 53 Starch is a polymer of glucose. 54 Adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal gland. 55 Mars planet is nearest to the Earth. 56 The process of conversion of a material from solid state directly to gaseous state is called sublimation. 57 Bacteria are parasite. 58 Ruby is an oxide of aluminium. 59 In the Australian continent nights are larger than days in June. 60 Gypsum is not hydrated calcium carbonate. 61 Uranus is the coldest planet. 62 Chromite ore contains chromium oxide. 63 Mica is a non-conductor of electricity. 64 Sun is not the biggest star in the universe. 65 The capacity to do work is called energy. 66 The energy possessed by body due to its position is called potential energy. 67 Kitab al-Manazar is publication by a famous Muslim scientist about optics. 68 Nucleus usually lies in the center of animal cells. 69 Calcium and phosphorus are the essential elements of bones. 70 Proteins are formed by combination of amino acids. 71 Rainwater dissolves sulfur dioxide to form sulfuric acid. 72 The set of instruction given to a computer is called command. 73 Chemicals such as penicillin which act on bacteria are called antibiotics. 74 Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 hit the planet Jupiter in July this year. 75 A branch of medicine studying blood and its disorders is called hematology. 76 Cytology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of structure and function of cells. 77 A biological study of external form and structure of living organisms or their parts is morphology. 78 Academic and applied discipline which involves the scientific study of human or animal mental functions and behaviors is called psychology. 79 A study of the chemical composition of the Earth's crust is called geology. 80 In a heat engine, heat energy is changed into mechanical energy. 81 Frequency of audible sound is 20 to 20,000 Hz. 82 Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. 83 Cheapest source of producing electricity is water. 84 The smallest unit of measurement of wavelength is angstrom. 85 The chemical generally used in refrigerator is freon. 86 The unit ton to specify air conditioners is equivalent to 12,000 BTU/hour. 87 Unit of electricity kilowatt-hour is the unit of power. 88 Period of famous Muslim scientists is 7th to 13th century AD. 89 Heat radiation travels at a speed equal to speed of light. 90 Cryptograms are non-flowering plants. 91 Reserve food material is usually stored as starch in plants and glycogen in animals. 92 Streptococcus is a gram-positive bacterium. 93 Spinach is a good source of vitamin K. 94 Insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas. 95 Femur is a bone of the leg. 96 The moon has no atmosphere. 97 Excessive burning of the fossil fuels causes acid rains. 98 21st of June is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. 99 Electricity is a secondary source of energy. 100 The outermost layer of the Earth is called crust. 101 Newton is the unit of force. Best of luck for your exams. Consider to subscribe if you are new here.